Doing laundry doesn't have to be confusing. Let's break it down, one step at a time. Step 1. Gather your clothes. Grab all your dirty clothes and check the tags if you're unsure what can be washed. If it's crusty, stinky, or wrinkled from the floor, it probably needs a wash. Step 2. Sort it or don't. You can sort by colors, but if you're washing in cold water and not mixing new red clothes with white socks, you're probably fine. Step 3. Load the washer. Don't pack it too full. Your clothes need space to move. Add detergent based on the label. Pods go on top. Liquids go in the drawer. That sort of thing. Step 4. Pick settings. Cold water is safest. Choose normal or casual to start. You can get fancy later. Step 5. Start it up. Close the lid and press start. Now you wait. And maybe go do something fun while it runs. Don't forget to set a timer for about an hour out, just in case you end up having too much fun and forget about the laundry. Trust me, I speak from experience. Step 6. Move the laundry to the dryer. When it's done, move everything to the dryer. Check the lint trap. It's the little screen inside the door or on top. Pull off the fuzz and toss it in the trash. Fun fact: lint likes to stick to itself, so if you get a little piece, you can rub it against the rest and it'll form a nice clump. Step 7. Drying tips. Set it to normal or auto dry. Or, if you're like me, set it to timed dry so you can set a timer for said time on your phone. Now here's the important part. When it stops, feel the clothes. If they're still damp, or if you're not sure, run it again. Because nobody likes putting on cold, wet socks later. Laundry takes practice, and nobody gets it perfect every time. You've got this!